India's here at Good Day, Sacramento. She's going to go on at 10:15. And she's here because she can burp like really gross. And it's so hilarious. So they bought her on Channel 31 UPN News, and she's got her own little room in here. It's really nice. Check it out as she burps. Show us your room, India.
This is my room. This is my well, this is my couch, a little couch I sit on. And this is my chair. She's comfy, alright. This is my chair. I just swing together. You see swing?
So what are you here for?
I'm here for burping. I do burping and I do fashion shows.
You do burping and fashion shows? You make your own clothes too?
Yes.
Wow, this is your own bathroom? This is awesome. But now we're supposed to be here for burping, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You just show me your bathroom.
And then this is my bathroom.
Okay, let's burp. It's really gross. Okay, come on, India. You gonna burp? You gonna burp?
And then I can do louder.
Let's do it louder than that. Okay, oh, she's here.
Okay, so you're just gonna run this up your blouse.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. Underneath that, just like this.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
You're gonna grab it.
I gotta test this. They're telling me that you can see this mic cord. You see, it's like a little snake. It's like a little snake here.
And then I'll go ahead and attach it to your
It's so weird. I don't even feel it. Where is it?
And then I'll turn on your mic when the time comes, so it's off, so you don't have to worry about it. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this on the pant pocket.
I just got goose by Dale. Jeez, we're all gonna be in HR. All right.
Okay, you're all set.
If you've ever in an office, there's this place you gotta stop in.
Thank you. Okay, burp.
Delish, they do bacon candy.
Oh, sounds so good. And it is an ice cream shop that has a suggestion box. Maybe hummus
Good day.
ice cream soon to come. Maybe.
Yes.
From cuckoo for macaroon cupcakes to coconut ice cream.
Sacramento.
We're trying some really interesting flavors.
So that's me burping, and I can do it even louder. But sometimes, my stomach gets full and stuff, It's just like,
How do you burp?
I just do this.
You regurgitate or something. You don't need nothing to drink or nothing?
No, you just do this. And then you push your, you pull your,
Nostrils?
no, you pull your air down, like you put your air in your throat. And you
Okay. Okay, I love you.
Love you too.
No food for you. I don't want you chewing while you're translating. No, I need your mouth available. I need her mouth available too.
So much.
I'd like to know what color her underpants are. Oh, because she's European. She thinks they're wearing any. Gotcha.
Monday at 6 on CW30.